Hi guys, I got a good recipe tonight. We're gonna do my favorite tacos, but we're gonna take them out of the tortilla and into a dish bowl. So the first thing we want to do is cook up our chopped meat. This is that beef, the organic from Aldi's. Remember, I got to get my beef. I'm gonna do a little bit of this because I'm not crazy about that. See? All right, let me get the beef in here, and then we'll get the crusher because I'm not a fan of the crusher, but I'm going to be having to do it, whether I like it or not. My enemy. And I have this high. Let me bring it down a notch. Okay, so this is 85.15 from Aldi, organic beef. As always, you can use whatever you like, whatever you have. If you have 80/20, if you want non-organic, whatever you like. A pound, 1 pound of ground beef. And for those people watching calories, I'm sure you could substitute with turkey. Okay. Here's my fork. I'll tell you why I'm not a big fan of this. Because, let me go get the fork. I don't like the way it sticks in here, and I feel like I have to keep clearing that out. That's my little thing I'm not crazy about. Okay, so you understand why I do that, and I complain. I get a Scott towel. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're enjoying the channel. The last recipe I put up was really good shrimp, grilled shrimp on salad. Wonderful. One of my faves. But that's low cal. This is one of my favorite comfort foods. I absolutely love tacos. Matter of fact, tonight we were going to have these on tortillas in the traditional way, but I saw this all over the internet. This is what I call one of the bop bop cooks recipes, and they asked me what that means. You ever see the kids on Instagram? Never bop 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 bop. I can't do that. Okay, I'm not doing that. But I saw it within, I don't know, a minute, and I said, "Wow, I like that. That's delicious. I'm going to try it." So here it goes. This is my version of the bop bop taco bowl. That's all over the internet raging, or so they say. All right, let me get that. It's pretty going away. Good. Now I'm gonna put my homemade taco chili seasoning that goes for tacos or chilies. I'll add the link in with this recipe for you guys. And I use it's a wonderful recipe. And look, what a nice jar I always have on hand. So I'd say 2 tablespoons per pound of chopped meat. Okay, and there you go. It's wonderful. It's tasty. And it's all made. You control everything. I have low salt in here. I don't think I even have any salt. You can add if you want. You'll see it in the recipe description. In the description with the recipe for the taco. Okay. I think I got to put at least a half a cup of water in here and let that stew away. And while that's doing that, I'll show you my next step. Let me get the water. Okay. Put a half to a cup of water. I think it usually, when you use the envelopes, the recipe used to be a cup of water to 1 envelope of their mix. I think because I use a little bit less, it's a little bit less water. You'll see. But let this stew along. Okay, now here, just put that in. Here's the change up. Instead of tortillas, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put our tacos in a bowl on top of roasted, spiced up potatoes. It's going to be good. Okay, so let's take a little bit of, what do I have here? Smoked paprika, a little bit, because we got so much flavor in the meat. We really don't need much in the potatoes, or I should say, I don't like too much in the potatoes. This adobo seasoning. Oh, this is wonderful. I ordered this online. This is really great company, really great spices. And you could get spices here that are no salt. That's how I found them. Spice Inc. online if you're interested at all. And here is Creole seasoning. If you like a little spice, we're going to put very little of that because I'm not a spicy girl. Vinny isn't either. And then we're going to put our traditional garlic powder, right? A little bit of pepper. Okay, and a little bit of salt. Not much, you know, me and my kosher salt. And now, it doesn't have any taste, which is good in this because the avocado oil, which I've been using a lot, and this is a great brand. Put that. Has no flavor. It has a high burning point or smoke point, so they say. So that's good. And now we're just going to toss these around. Okay. Get all that oil and seasoning in. Okay. And we're going to put them on to, oh, this is smelling good, the meat over there. Okay. Spread them out on a baking dish. Now in the recipe that's going around there, you have choices. I liked mine peeled completely. You can wash them, and many people leave the skins on in this recipe for, I don't know what, color, taste, whatever have you. I didn't want to, so I shaved mine or peeled them complete. Spread them out so they cook faster. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we have an oven preheating at 375. Let me pop these in there. Let's try this once again tonight. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Hope she listens this time. Do you remember the last episode? Oh my God. She wigged out on us. Okay. This is going to cook a little bit longer. We have the potatoes in the oven. Look at me. We have the potatoes in the oven, and we're going to come back when we're ready to set it together and plate it. Okay. I think the potatoes are ready. Oh, it's freaking baking hot here. Oh, they look good. I'm going to show you guys how the potatoes look, and then I'm going to put them into a bowl. Look at those. That's how you want them, nice and golden and crispy. Delish. Let me put them in a bowl so that we can plate and get this party started. Okay. I'll tell you, I can eat these potatoes by themselves. I really don't need anything else. Okay. Put that pan there. Ooh, that's hot. That is hot. That is hot. Okay, here they are. There we go. Now let's get ready. Luckily, this looks fabulous. This chopped meat was the 85-15. There wasn't much juices left. Look, no fat to take out, which I'm very happy in case you guys are interested. I know we all worry about extra fat. Okay, so now let's plate. This is how she rolls. This is what I saw. Okay. Make a nice bowl for Vinny. All right. Oh, I already messed up. So wait, let's take that away. Plan B, not to worry. It goes like this. It's my first time, guys. I never made this. I'm used to tortilla tacos. You put the potatoes are subbing for the tortilla. You put them on the bottom of the bowl. And this is what trades it up. This is what changes it. Makes it wonderful. Let's just take his meat. Now, we'll do this. I'm going crazy today because it's a new recipe. Okay. Then you take this hot. It should be hot, I believe, because you want it to melt the cheese, which is going to come on next. So you do that, right? Okay, it's nice and hot. Now, let's assemble our taco. We have a beautiful assembly here. You take the cheese. Okay. This is luscious. My mouth is already watering. I don't even have to tell you guys. Okay. Cheese. Then you take some lettuce, already shredded, just regular iceberg. Put that on. Okay. Some tomatoes. Just take this, that's okay. Some tomatoes. Okay. And then we got some avocado. Put it wherever you like. It's all going to get eaten in bites. together. Isn't that luscious? Okay. And last but not certainly least, a dollop of sour cream to the top. Do a dollop. I know, I can't stop singing that song. Okay, that's that. And put the Danone, a little bit of lime, excuse me, on this side if you so much want to squeeze. We had it before like that, and it's absolutely delicious. So there it is. The tacos outside of a tortilla. I call it the taco bowl. Well, it's going to be delish. Should I taste it? Let me taste it for everyone. Let me get a new fork because that one's salivating in sour cream. I'm dying because you want to get a little bit of everything, and hopefully the meat melts the cheese. Everything's on top of the potato. Oh, see the smoke coming out? Get that, man. Oh, man. Excuse me. Okay. Let me try to get a tomato and some cheese and a little bit of sour cream. All right, this is going to be a big sloppy bite. Okay. Here we go. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I will say it's different. The potato in there. Everything has the components of a taco. It's quite delicious. I have a piece of avocado. Mm. Nice change off. Nice night off from the tortilla. I highly recommend it. Try it. Enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next video.